The next is a research activity. So, from the idea you have selected that one idea, now you have done the prior art search, now you have started your research, the experiment. So, whatever procedures, methodology you have decided, you have followed that, right. Now, the next is a invention disclosure. Now, generally what happens that invention disclosure is a step in the research, and that is a very important step. You have to plan properly and you have to decide properly when you will give that invention disclosure. So, this is the point or a time during your research you feel that my research is going pretty well and it is well enough to file now the invention disclosure. So, that judgment you have to judge that thing and you have to file the invention disclosure. If you are a PhD student or if you are a student doing a project or you are working in a MSME or you might be working in a R&D department of a corporate or you may be a scientist working in a research laboratory, you have to review the timeline you have decided before starting the project. So, before planning that, before starting your research, you might have planned some activity, and at that time only you have to decide at what time you will file the patent or probability of filing the patent is. So, probably you can plan this review that after 6 months to check if there is something which can be considered for patent filing. So, maybe in your research activity after every 6 months you just review your activity, whatever research activity is there, and you just explore is there possibility of filing a patent. That way you can just identify that if there is any potential patent. So, we follow this, and then we generally follow this when we are doing a research publication. Whenever you are confident, okay, now I can write a research paper, then you start research paper and communicate with the publisher. So, same thing you have to do with the patent. And again important that no publication without patent, because rule is first to file.